Here in this video, I am going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection page. This video is specific for Berlin theme of the Shopify. If you have any other theme, then you can explore the playlist. So I have already uploaded a lot of videos with different themes. You should download the code. I have already added the link below in the description. Once you are downloading the code, you will be getting these 4 files. You should open document.txt. Inside of it, I have already added some steps which we are going to follow in this video. Go to the dashboard of the store. Here we have the dashboard. You can see I have installed Berlin theme. Click on these 3 dots, click on edit code. Now let's follow the documentation. The first step is create a new snippet, color dash variant. Copy this color dash variant, click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, paste the name here, click on done. Then after you should create another snippet, color dash product dash card. Copy the name from here, click on add a new snippet, paste the name here, click on done. And now we are interested to paste the attached code. Firstly, we are going to paste color-variant.txt, open it up, copy this complete code and then paste it inside of this file, color-variant.liquid, and then click on save the changes, close the file. Here we have color-product-card.txt, copy the complete code from here also and paste it inside of color-product-card.liquid. Click on save and then close this file. The next step is go to sections, open man-collection-product-grid.liquid. So copy the name and paste it here. You can see that we have man-collection-product-grid.liquid, and inside of it we are going to find a product-card. So these 2 words you need to find inside of it using Control F or maybe Command F. It will be highlighted. You can see that we have this render which is product-card. We are going to replace this with color-variant. Okay, so I'm going to copy from here and then paste it right here. Now one additional thing that you have to do is remove the div tag. So the div tag here is the div tag. This line you need to remove, and here the closing tag also. So I removed both these things, then click on save. Now we are done. Close this file and let me refresh this page again. Here we go. Now you can see that we have all the product variants displaying on this collection page. So that's how we can implement the stuff by just copy and pasting the code. If you are clicking on quick view, so the specific color will be previewing here. For example, this one. So you can see the products are displaying. So that's how you can implement it into your store. If you're stuck somewhere or you have any problem, you can definitely contact me. I will help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video. Also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.